Hello everyone, Southside Stacker here, and I have this really cool piece in front of me. But before we get into it, I just want to say thanks. Thanks for 600 subscribers. That's really cool. 600 of you all thought it was a good idea to listen to me for some reason, and that number is still growing. That's really awesome. It feels good, and hopefully I'll keep you all entertained with some silver. So I want to show off this piece I got recently. I believe I got it from APMEX. It is a silver round produced by the United States Assay Office. Am I saying that right? Is it assay or assay? I've never heard that word used in public, so I don't know what that is. Somebody correct me. It says 1 troy ounce, 31.1 grams. There's an eagle, American flag, .999 fine silver, silver trade unit. I think a couple of olive branches on either side. See if I get a little bit closer. See a little better. Sorry for my shadow. Looks nice. Reeded edge. You know I'm all about that reeded edge. And this is in pretty good condition for 1981. I don't know if it's been cleaned or something. On this side, we're going to call it the obverse. It says U.S. Assay Office, San Francisco. Formerly stored at U.S. Assay Office, San Francisco, and it's minted from the United States Strategic Stockpile Silver. There's 3 stars on either side of 1981, and there's a double C mark. I'm not sure if that represents the mint that pressed these little coins or little rounds. So yeah, I had a few questions about this. If someone can help me. There's on the listing on APMEX, this round is used as a part of history in the sense that the government offloaded a bunch of silver to prevent, manipulation of the silver market. There were a bunch of oil tycoons known as the Hunt brothers who cornered the silver market by aggressively purchasing 1/3 of the world's silver to drive the prices up, which to me that is some rich boss activity right there. I can't even be mad at that. So apparently they did this, drove the silver price up, and the United States decided to offload their stockpile silver to bring the prices back down. But I looked up the story of the Hunt brothers, and the dates don't really add up. It seems like this all happened late, 79, 80. And I was thinking, this is 1981, and those guys had already been dragged through civil court and filed for bankruptcy. Rich people bankruptcy. They're still worth billions of dollars. It's just, rich bankruptcy. So I'm just wondering if anyone can answer. I think I'm a little all over the place right now, but the question is, what is the true history behind this round? Was it thrown out into the public to bring silver prices back down? Or was there just a need for the government to offload silver for the deficit? Because I've also read a couple articles about the U.S. government needing to also offload silver with a lot of resistance from private minters. Feeling like the government shouldn't be, stomping all over their business by selling silver. So yeah, let me know. That's the question. I'm pretty sure that's the question. All right. Thank you all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Southside Stacker. See you all in the next one.